Good morning, students. Once again I welcome you to my video lectures on network analysis. Yesterday I explained, in the last class I explained what is ground. So ground is a reference point to which all other potentials are referred. Now today I will work out some basic problems on potential calculation. That means having identified ground in the network. So you are supposed to calculate potentials or voltages. So that is what potential or voltage calculation. I will give this example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, 7 volts. Now this is what is called as a network, and in this network there is no current flowing through any branch because all are open circuited. That means no, because if current has to flow in a circuit, there must be a closed path. No closed path here. Now in this circuit I will ask you to calculate these potentials. VAB. What is VAB? What is VBF? What is VBF? What is VFD? What is VFD? What is VCG, etc. What is VCG, etc. So in this way you can have any number of voltages. Now I will show you how to calculate these voltages. Okay. For example, first take VAB. So in the subscript there are two letters, A and B. So B is referred as ground. This is B is ground. Where is B? So B here is ground. This is ground. Now with respect to B, what is the potential of A? That is what VAB means. So what is VAB means? VAB means potential of A with respect to B. So to calculate VAB, what you are supposed to do? From the point you travel to ground. From A you have to travel to B. For example, if you have to find the height of the roof, so then you have to make a jump from the roof to the ground, holding a scale. And while jumping from the point roof to the ground with the scale, you can measure the height of the roof. In the same sense, in order to find VAB, make a journey from A to B. In making a journey from A to B, or in making a jump from A to B, whenever you come across from plus to minus, you call it as fall in potential. See, from plus to minus, if you are going, it is called as fall. Fall in potential. Now fall in potential, you follow one notation. So throughout my lectures, I will assume that whenever I come across a fall in potential, I will take with plus sign. Whenever there is a rise in potential means from negative to positive. Rise in potential. Whenever you come across journey from negative terminal to positive terminal, it is rise in potential. So I will take rise in potential with minus sign, whereas fall in potential I will take with plus sign. So students are hereby requested to remember this notation. I don't change notation in the midway. So throughout my lectures, I will assume that whenever there is a fall in potential, I will take with plus sign. Whenever there is a rise in potential, I will take with minus sign. Now, VAB, make a journey from A to B. So we have to make a journey like this. This is the only path. So from A to F, from A to F, this is from A to F, from F to E, then from F to G, then from G to B. So that makes VAB. Now VAF is 2 volts, fall in potential, take with plus sign. VFE, rise in potential, take with minus sign. Next, VFG. Now VFG, to go from F to G, we have to go through E. So VAF, VFE, VEG, next VGB. This is E. Now VEG, plus to minus, fall in potential, take with plus sign. Next, after coming to B, G to B, that is ground to ground. G to B, fall in potential, take with plus sign, plus 6. What is the voltage now? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 minus 3 means 12. So it is coming out positive. That means A is well above B by 12 volts. This is what the meaning. So A is well above B by 12 volts. So this is how you have to calculate the voltages. Now I will take second one. VBF. To find VBF, this is B. This is B. Second letter F. F is ground. Now VBF. From B to G, rise in potential, minus 6. From G to E, once again rise in potential, 7. Next, from E to F, that is F is ground, that is fall in potential, plus. So minus 13 plus 3, that is minus 10 volts. So VBF is coming out to be negative. That means B, this is B. So BF, F is here, B is here, B is below F. Whenever you come across negative answer, so B is below F by how much? 10 volts. This is what means. Now in the same manner, now I hope that students have understood these two. Now the last two. VFD, this is ground. VFD is equal to VFD, that means D is ground. VFD, D is ground. From F to D, you travel from F to D, F to E, minus 3 volts. E to D, again rise in potential, minus 4. Therefore, minus 7 volts. Lastly, VCG. VCG is equal to from C to G. So G is ground. VCG, C to G, C to D, rise in potential, minus 5. D to E, fall in potential, plus 4. Next, E to G, fall in potential, plus 7. Therefore, answer is 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 5 means 6 volts. Answer is 6 volts. So this is how you have to calculate the potentials. Thank you.